Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain the stop and backup lamp circuit. So this is a very simple, but some of my viewers needs demands because this is stop lamp mean the brake. When we press the brake, then how the lamp become on, and when we put the reverse gear, then how our lamp and buzzer is working. So this is a very simple. This is also stop and backup lamp circuit. So this one is our fuse, and this fuse gets power from the battery relay. This is our brake or stop lamp switch is also called stop. Is called a stop, and we press the brake, our switch energize. And this is a stop lamp relay. Our controller, transmission controller, and this relay is our backup lamp relay. This one is our backup buzzer, and these are the lamps. This one is a backup right hand side lamp. This is stop right hand side lamp. This one is the stop lamp left side, and this one is a backup lamp left side. So these are our all the components of this circuit. Now I'm going to explain. First I explain the stop lamp, how stop lamp works. So when our start switch in on position or in starting position, so our this fuse gets power from the battery relay. Mean when our starting switch is on, then our battery relay become on, and this fuse gets the power. When this fuse gets power, and this power is coming here, one side of the parking brake switch, and then from here to here is reaches at the pin number 5 of the stop lamp relay. So now is the power is also over here, and no power is here. Now what happened? When we press the brake, when we press the brakes, what happened? This switch become closes. When this switch closed, our current, which is passing from here, passing from here, this contact closes, and this contact closes, so current passing here, and it reaches of the coil of this stop lamp relay, and the other point of this coil number 2 is already grounding. So what happened? This relay is energized. When this relay energized, so the contact number 3 and 5 closes. When this contact closes, this power through this through power this close contacts, so this close contact reaches to this lamp, and also this lamp, and other side of this lamp is already grounded. So in this way, our stop lamp left hand side and also right hand side are on, become on. So this one power coming from here, and this closes. So power from here to here reaches. So this is already grounded. so our lamps become brightened when we press the light. So now in this way our stop lamp works. Now I am going to the this backup circuit sides. So this already power is coming here. Okay. So what happened? This power is reaches is already reached at the pin number 5. When our controller, transmission controller, when we put the vehicles or machine, this circuit is both for vehicles and machines, same working. So don't think about it's for machines, this is also for vehicles. So when we put our reverse gear, when we put the machine or vehicles put in the reverse gear, so what happened? Our transmission controller gives the power, yes, sends the power signals to this pin number 1 of the backup lamp relay. Okay, this relay. And this relay is already grounded. So in this way, this relay is energized. When this put the reverse gear and our reverse gear, and we put a reverse gear, transmission controller send the signals to this coil of this relay. So this relay energized. When this relay energized, so our this open contact become closed. So what happened? Power is already here. So this power is passing to our current flowing this way. Our current flowing this way, and in this way our backup buzzer and our lights here and this here, and this one also already grounded. So in this way our buzzer is sounding and our backup lamps also become on. So this is a small, a very simple uh, circuit which in front of you I already explained how it works. So in this way, if have a problem with any relay or any lamp, so we can easily diagnose. I hope you can understand this is a very simple these circuits, and after seeing this video, hope you can easily diagnose your problems. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels and share this video to your friends. Thanks.